So I think that I am going to tackle leaf springs, getting them up in the thing, and at least we're on familiar ground here. And by familiar ground, what I mean is I have no idea what I'm doing once again. So that's familiar. So I don't know. I'm just gonna assemble them the best I can and try to figure it out as we go, like always. So here we go. Put that in there. It's kind of the best ploy I think I can, or best kind of the best route that I think I can go with right now. I think we'll just forgo the anti-roll bar for now and get everything back up and running, and then I can go back and do it again later after everything's kind of sorted, because it didn't have one to begin with, so it's not like you're really losing anything. But I'm just kind of like not really sure how to move forward, so we'll just go with this. You probably saw me do sketchy stuff and real fast warp speed, and there was lots of bitching and complaining. Don't like doing stuff that I'm not terribly familiar with, but then you do it and then you're familiar with it. So we got this guy, all the springs in, and that was there's a goddamn bug in here. I hate bugs. And yeah, so we got these fancy new hangers. They got like a little bend, probably help a little rigidity. They're just stock replacement stuff, but they're in there, and that's good. So next we'll work on getting the axle up there, which so some jobs you just wish you had someone to help. This would be one of those jobs, but we'll figure it out. We got a transmission jack, and yeah, we can figure it out somehow. So that's what you'll see happening next, I imagine.